Welcome to the funny stream where I play video games, but I do it better this time, and I am... You were listening to that? Suck my balls. I should have just turned it low. Sorry. Oh, I'm hearing double audio. That's cool. It is the ball-sucking month. Oh, that's nice. Can I not have double audio, please? I can't actually tell if I have double audio or not. Oh, yeah, I definitely do. So, last we left our heroes, they were struggling amidst the horrors of the true arena. Me and D, and all those in between. So, yeah, we ate shit a couple times. I got mad, threw my controllers, and, like, ended the stream. Then we realized there was a bunch of issues with how we'd been playing, and it kind of all sucked. Skill issues, even. But not really. More just like we didn't know what to do. So I did a bunch of shit. Decided I want to try it off stream so I wouldn't tilt as hard. And did it solo off stream. And I don't really regret it, honestly. But I felt it was right to do it again on stream this time. So that's what we're gonna do. As with last time, we're gonna do it without any buffs. Yeah, Hammer also made it baby bitch mode. I also got this and did the trial for it and went back and did another trial as well. We did, oh yeah, we did beat it in co-op eventually. We did have buffs though. But I think we would have beat it anyway. But yeah, I don't think I can show my co-op records if I don't have a second controller hooked up. No, it would have tried to make me enter co-op. It is almost tempting to take Crash here. But I'm not gonna. Also, not having a second player to get extra shit on. Yeah, look at that damage. Ow. Oh, wait, I still have the double health bar. Oh. Well, whatever. Seems like this is always the same format. Oh, it's this dickhead. Oh my god, that worked! That's sick! That is awesome. I did, like, that was intentional, too. I was trying to see if I could. Turns out I can. I'm getting greedy. Aw, really? I'm playing like garbage. What's this attack? I've never seen that before. What? I'm being broken, dude. Okay, this is sad. This is sad. I need to restart arena. I can do better than this. No. I can do better than this. My power-up's gone now too, right? Right? You wouldn't be nice to him? Yeah, you wouldn't be nice to me. That's right. Oh, that is tempting. That is so tempting. That gun is so fucking tempting, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Predictable. Yikes. I'm getting hit by this thing way more than I was. Wispy confirmed more dangerous than DDD. It's a menace. Here he is. A menace to society. Got him. Oh, Oh, dude, NFT ape. Let's go. Let's go. What the fuck? I just got sucked up into the sky. It's actually tempting to... Yeah, you know what? I will. Because I still have a way to get hammer back. Oh my god. Thank you, game. Yeah. It's not greed. Need some help. Yeah, that's not greed at all. I was trying to get health back. I'll take one. Yeah. Give it to me again. Pixar anatomy? Very Pixar anatomy. How's it going, Zane? Wow. What? Cheater. How are they supposed to know it's female? Bazinga. Eyeliner. Ah. Get him. I might want that. Got him. If she'd have a bow on her head. She does wear clothes. She just takes them off at the start of the fight. Oh, I fucking greed. Come on. Oh, that was bad. None of them wear clothes. He's wearing some bracelets. Got my hammer back? Yeah. Yeah. Time for funny butterfly. Oh, I'm forgetting their attack patterns. Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay, I agreed. Oh no, I'm upside down. Whatever will I do? Come on. There you go. I wasn't greedy enough. I should have charged more and he would have been dead earlier. Alright, this should be more than enough to get back to full health. Okay. And here we are! Introducing God. And God is a sexy moth. As with every game. This is really just a legendary Pokemon. Ow. Hammer? Uh-huh. Why does it have a spear? Because spear is the ultimate weapon. Introducing my stand. This is such a cool attack. Uh-huh. Nice try, buddy. Shadow is here. Longinus. It is the Spear of Longinus, actually. I've seen a bunch of memes about that. And here we are. And here we are. And here we are. And here we are. Orb. Thank you for making my camera blurry. I always forget about that. Please, dodge. Dodge, 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 dodge. Oh, I could just break those, and then he'll just stop. I didn't even think about that. The power of the sun in the palm of my hand. Yo, what up, buddy? No, you can't do shit when he's doing that. What? This is a new camera angle for this. I'm gonna hang out up here. Oh, Splatoon! Give me that back. Get me out. Chaos control. Can I have this back, please? See, that's not so hard once you die a million times and learn its patterns. Here's the thing. If you don't know its attack patterns, you just die. You just fucking die. So I had to do this a couple times off stream for it to not suck balls. Consume. I love the, like, LSD chrome garbage going on in the sky. It's amazing. And now it's gone. We got him. It heard me. Yeah, I was like, fuck you. What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? I didn't have bonus health. Suck my balls. What are you talking about? I didn't cheat. Fuck you. That's bullshit. That's not fair. It's not true. It's not. Oh, hi, Mark. I'm gonna go upgrade gun. Super gun! Unlocked. Gun. Text message received. My dad's saying hello as though, you know, he didn't call me and then ghost me like 6 times. Like, hi, hello there. You haven't contacted me in a while. It's like, yeah, no shit. The last 3 times I did, you were busy. And you said, I'll call you back. Oh, okay. You gonna do that? What am I doing? Oh yeah, I can't warp, I don't think, but all right, at least it'll take me into a level, which I don't want. I love the variant map themes. They're so cool. Wow. All right, so the one void thing I didn't do was this one. I did this off stream. So I gotta go back and do it to prove that I can. Fuck. This takes a couple tries every time. Fuck. I slow down slightly too much there. There you go. That's awesome. You were watching from mobile in a restaurant? Yeah, I did do pretty good that time. I'm a little mad because I didn't have bonus HP and it still watermarked my fucking thing. Alright, now I just need to do the Morbius Knight thingy that I already did over here. I did not. I had 1 health bar. Yeah, and then I stopped. I exited after losing the health bar and started again. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna try that again. Yeah, no, it did. I literally exited arena and restarted, and it was like, nope, fuck you, idiot. Not today, dickhead. Fuck! Forgot that happened. I forgot it always warps you when you do this. Dude! Wow, I played that like trash. Yeah, I couldn't do it on stream because I tilted. Fuck! You can't command grab me, I'm too powerful. I'm working better on ways to not tilt when streaming. I'll get there. No, it still teleported me. Dude, I can't use depth perception when you're over there. Okay, these guys are just gonna run right the fuck at me. I'm gonna go into this corner. Oh, I don't even, like, I get mad, but, like, the worst part is that I, like, complain on stream, and that feels shitty. Because I don't feel like that's enjoyable to watch. I think that was part, over... Yeah. Okay, that was a way better clear time. Holy shit. It isn't? What, it isn't to watch me complain? Yeah, I know. I think that's everything, then. Yeah, I feel, like, really fucking lame doing that. Yeah, the difference is, you tend to feel a little different when you're streaming, because it's like, I can't just be like, ah, fuck this, I'm gonna come back to it. It's like, I almost feel obligated, and I need to stop doing that. I need to be like, no, I'm not having fun. I'll come back to it when I am, instead of feeling like I need to finish, you know? That guy does not care. But yeah, I got everything. Got all the things. Yeah, I did everything. I went back. Calvin and I went fishing off stream for like half an hour, and we managed to get a 10K fish. The high score or whatever online seems to be like 12 grand, but we're pretty sure that's hacked. Because like, if it goes up at the rate we think it does, it has to be. Yeah, see, I can't do that. That doesn't resonate with Joy. Yeah, I did all these. I did the lunch rush ones. I even went back and did the co-op lunch rush ones at the diner. I've done it all. You need to fish for hours? What, to get a higher number? Is it random? Is it actually partially random? Like the number at the end? Or is it purely reaction time? Yeah, it was, and that was like a high... The cat orb. Yeah, I went back and got all the bonus present codes, because, like, I know about this one. Yeah, there's just nothing else to do. Or botted? Yeah, something like that. It is, like, really, 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 really high. Like, we fished for a while, and 10K was, like, pretty rough. Yeah. I really don't know. But yeah, I think we've done everything that can be done, which is a shame because, like, I love this game. There's just nothing left to do. I might try a co-op playthrough of this game sometime. It'll probably be off stream, though. And just, like, with a couple of my buddies is my guess. But yeah, that about covers it. I hope they release some kind of expansion for this game. It doesn't need one, but I would like one. We've already talked about that to death, though. 11? That's pretty good. But yeah, that's all she wrote. I don't know if the file select looks different once you've 100%ed. I assume it doesn't look rainbowy like that. True Arena with base abilities? That sounds not fun. Yeah, that sounds not fun. That's like trying to play Pokemon, but you give every Pokemon tackle, and you're like, yes, I'm gonna play like this. It's like, you can, and it is harder, but are you having fun? Yeah, so that's Kirby. Kirby done. Yeah, I bet. I don't want to do that, and I'm not gonna. Yeah, so that's all I really wanted to do for this part of the stream, but... Oh, let me check my text messages. Oh, shit, my dad has COVID. Hold on. Oh. Yeah, it's what it is. They go out to dance competitions in the US for my little sister and stuff, and like, it's not that strong over here from what I know. Like, I don't think my dad's in any serious danger. It just sucks to have. I'm sure it's not terrible, or I probably would have heard about it from, like, someone. Yeah, like, it's been pretty mild around here. I haven't heard any cases around, like, Southern Ontario being, like, extremely severe, other than a couple outliers. Like, it's not... I'm careful about things. I also don't live with him. But yeah, my dad says feel lousy, but we'll be okay. Headache and stuffed up, very tired. Yeah, it's kind of just becoming like very flu-esque. Just saying, telling him I hope he feels better soon. Yeah. Yeah, I bet. So what do you guys want to do for the remainder of the stream since we are now done with Kibby? I could work on a bot for the stream. I could work on getting the new music display set up. We could play Cruelty Squad. Dealer's choice. What's dealer's choice? Does that make chat the dealer? Because yeah, I am asking you. Like, you wouldn't go to McDonald's and be like, dealer's choice when someone else is ordering. How do I put it? It's like you wouldn't go to the cashier and say, I'm gonna buy the cashier a meal. I'm the dealer, but I'm also the customer. You better go. Cheers, man. Interested in the bot? Yeah, it's gonna be a little tricky to set up. So this is gonna be some weirder stuff. I should really get the music bot set up first so that you guys actually have the cool new display. I'm using the one that like Foxen and Mark use. I just need to figure out how to set it up. All right, we'll put this stuff in sleep mode and then disconnect it. Okay. I need to close the game capture software. Okay, that's closed. I can turn off the Elgato feed. There we go. That's looking a little nicer already. Please don't blue screen while I put the dock back behind the monitor. Please. We're getting there. Okay, we're back to 2 monitors mode. We now have 2 monitors. Drag OBS over to the left. Let's see if anyone actually responded to my thing in Foxen server. Nope. Okay, so I'm going to need to figure out how to do this. So I have a new music player called Fubar 2K. So I will show you guys what I've got going on right now. Which is... hold on, I gotta find a window capture that I can use. This one have any crop filters on it? Why does this have a scaling filter on it? What the fuck? Oh, I see. Yeah, so this is the music thing I have. Hold on, I'm gonna like change my category here to just chatting. So like we got this stuff going on here, right? And so this is UI is my passion. I mean, this is like a very basic tool. It's been around for a while. It's very minimalist. It's not like it's not meant to be fancy. This is like a technical player where you can do a bunch of stuff with it, right? Like it has a visualizer up here. Oh, you guys can't see my mouse, but it has a visualizer at the top. Yeah, it's currently like I have a playlist here that was built out that has just all of the Hat in Time soundtrack on it. How loud is that? Doesn't seem to be over my voice that much. But yeah, like I can set up playlists and output them and stuff. I might actually just lower the volume a little bit so I can hear myself, but Yeah, the idea is I can basically output a playlist and then have it display on my my interface. But I need to figure out how to do that. According to this chat, it is now playing is the thing that I'm supposed to do. I don't know if it's a tool in foobar or an extension. I think it's an extension, but I don't know how to get it. Well, I'm gonna Google it. So I can't seem to find like an actual page that exists. Like, I don't know if what Foxen and Mark are using is custom made or not. Okay, so I want OBS. Now playing overlay for OBS XSplit with foobar. But this is just a forum post from 2014. So I sincerely... Nope, this is the one. This is the one that looks nice. You will need the now playing simple plugin for foobar. So I need to download that. Yeah, so this creates a TTF, like, or like, not a TTF. It creates like a text file for that outputs the info from your shit. Can I download this? Please? It doesn't seem to be doing anything. I just can't download it. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm gonna turn off my ad blocker and try that again. It's just not letting me download it. Let me try going to... NP simple. This seems to be the newest one here. Shut up. Don't say that to me ever again. Okay, what's the actual install instructions for this? I just have to put this in the plugins folder? Probably, because it's just a DLL inside a zip file for some reason. Okay, downloads. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where to actually put this. I don't know if there's a plugins folder or not. Plugins. Foobar. How to install Foobar plugins. Okay, put them in components. Oh, I can do it from in Foobar. Okay, so it's library configure. Which opens another window you can't see. Okay, Okay, and then I need to install, and I select the thing that I had in my downloads. So that's a little confusing because seems like I now need to go here. Do this, do this, do this. Okay, I have to restart it. All right, that should have done something. So if I go to configure again and I check components, now playing simple is here. Why are some components grayed out? Okay. So I now have this now playing simple thing. How do you add them to the UI? View layout, enable layout mode. You guys can't see like any of the shit that's going on here. Wow. Right-click various things to see available options. Like, you can see this happening. Hold on, let me see if there's anything I can do to, like, fix this. I can capture cursor, but it's not going to show you what's happening. I think I might just do a window capture instead then. Or not a window capture, a screen capture. So you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Do I have a screen capture set up? I don't know. I think I might have deleted it. Well, yeah, that's a browser. That's a window capture. Display capture. Do I have any of those? I have this one. Yeah, this works. This is good. All right, you can now see kind of more what I'm seeing because I can do this and you can now see it. Magic, right? Beautiful. All right, so we're in edit layout mode. So I want to put something new here somewhere. I don't really care about the metadata. Other... No. Oh, this just is a display. Replace UI element with... not the album art viewer. Where is it? Album list, equalizer. This is not helpful. Although that being said, I don't think that add-on actually gave me something I actually care about. So I'm instead going to put an album art viewer there. Because I don't think I'm following the instructions correctly. Let's just continue from where we were. I'll go to, like, not that. Good song. You are now legally a bird. Wii Shop channel moment. So, I'm gonna keep this over here. So, this forum post is the one that I need to be looking at here. Jet 3 radio. I don't think that's real. It'll fade in on track change, pause play. Yeah, but how do I... Like, this is definitely what I want. Oh, it's download here. Okay. Sure. It works! Good patch notes. Holy shit. I assume this is what I'm looking for. I mean, I hope so. Yeah, it's like HTML, I see. Download and install now playing simple. Once done, copy the following into the plugin preference screen. Okay, I want to keep this in my documents then. Fobber. Alright, so we're gonna throw that in here. This really is like Wii Shop channel vibes, holy shit. Okay. What did it tell me to do? Browser source plugin installed. Oh my god, this is a long time ago. Because this is before browser sources were an official thing in OBS. Holy shit. Point it to the appropriate HTML file. Yeah. Plugin preference screen. Okay. Now I want to know what plugin preference is. Yeah, so what I need to know is what it's talking about here. Okay, here's what I want, I think. Now right-click it, activate, prefer playing, to go into settings. Reddit? Look, there's knowledge on Reddit. Doesn't mean I have to like it, but it's there. What I want to know is where to put this HTML code. Right-click it, activate, yada yada, go into settings in format. Which there isn't really a settings here. Like, even if I right click on this, it's not going to give me that much info. Like, I assume it means preferences. Just a matter of, like, what it's actually trying to get me to do here. Like, look at all this funny HTML. Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, there we go. So we got this going. It's a legacy preferences page. Let me see if there's a... Hold on. Now playing... Like, I see now playing simple, but is there, like, another... It is. It's, this is just a mess. It said to output it to a specific file. Now playing .json. Okay. Okay, so I want this to be a JSON file called nowplaying.json, and I want this to write to the folder in here. No. No. Yeah, the thing is, that's not a JSON file. That's a... That's... I just wish it would let me create a new file instead of doing this dumb garbage. God, I need to fucking find this setting again. I really don't like this setting. It makes me mad. Read file extensions Windows 10. I keep it off by default so I don't accidentally change file names. File Explorer. View file name extensions. Okay, I think they made this easier. Yes. ginandjuice.mp3.exe. That is how you get them. That is how you get them. Okay. So... the overlay will show track change. Yeah, that'll change the fade out. Check all events under the event tab. Wait, what? Wait, why would I want it to update every second? Sure. That might cause some problems, but that's fine, I guess. Yeah, I don't know when I would want it to update mid-play, but we'll just let it happen until there's a problem. Make sure you have browser source plugin installed. Get it here. Yeah, my thought is, how do I make this... point it to the HTML file? Yeah? Alright, well, let's try that. Song display... What do you mean song display is already in use? Fine, I'll call it song display foobar. Cool OBS browser source. Okay, so now what I want to do is go documents. Foobar now playing. There should be an HTML file somewhere. I think it's this. Oh, look at all the nothing. Oh, no, it's there. Wait, no, it's here. We're here. We're living. I don't know why the source is fucked up like that. Also, I didn't realize that would fade out the entire thing. So I'm gonna change that to 0. Yeah, it says here, fade out to 0, will perpetually show. Okay. Yeah, there it is again. Tim Hortons app tracks user data with a level of intricacy and detail akin to how the government tracks federal... Well, if I didn't have all my money for Tim's on there, I would probably delete it. But that's cool. That's a little creepy. And probably dubiously legal. Okay, so let's dive back in there. Go to documents, go to foobar now playing, go to my config. What the fuck? Why? Wait, why is that a PNG of my config? What the hell? That is weird. Why is that even there? Yeah, that's fade out 0. It knows when you walk by a competitor coffee place and knows when you are headed to and from work even while the app is off? Where did I agree to let it do that? Yeah, when did I agree to let the app track that kind of information? Location services. Oh. That's a little fucked that allowing it to use location services just lets it do whatever it wants rather than what it says it's going to do. Alright, so it's throwing that info in there. Oh, I see why it needs to update every second. It's because of the time. It says I need to manually change the resolution, I think. 320 by 120. Okay, that should fix the issues. I would like to double the size of it, even though I can't... Is there a way for me to do that? I'm gonna have to wait for the app to change songs, which I think it is about to do. So it shouldn't fade anymore because I turned that off. Who Done It is the next song. It's back. Who did this? Who did this? Yeah, I can just make it bigger. Look at that. Make it about yay big. I could also, why can't I click on it? Give me that back. Put it up there. Or I could put it down here. Whatever the case, it does look really nice. I will say that. And I can fuck with the font and all the rest of the bits of it. I don't know why it's not pushing my album art. That's the one thing I'm not sure, is why the album art is showing up that way, because you can clearly see it right here. So I need to figure that out. Oh, hello, Discord. Calden DMs me with Funny Hortons Gaming. Okay. So, according to this README, add as a global source so it doesn't reload. I don't know if that matters anymore. Hold on, config. Overlay with album art only works if you store your music in a format that separates files by album into their own folder. Within each folder, you store a JPEG containing the album art. That's... I don't know why that does that, instead of just accessing the album art, but, I really feel like I have an old version of this. Like, there's no way this one is the right one. This is from 2014. This would be, like, maybe before Simple even started streaming. And I think he uses it too, but, like, their whole group does, so I'm not sure what the deal is here. I'm gonna bug, like, Foxen or Mark about it at some point. It's just, like... Yeah, you store a folder.jpg. A folder.jpg. Why? Does that mean the name of the folder.jpg? I feel like that's probably what it means. How do I get that data? Like, I have all of this shit. Wait. Oh, no, it's here. It's straight up here. But it's not named the same thing. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. What is it? Wait, there's a README here? What the fuck? Hello, thank you for buying our soundtrack. If you own a Hat in Time, check out the Hat in Time game folder. It has neat stuff that might fill a hole in your heart. Thanks. I did not know about that. By the way, all the soundtracks on here I actually do own on Steam. I'm planning to get more soundtracks, probably ripped from games that I actually also own that you can't rip from. But not doing that yet. Yeah, I've said my piece about Gears for Breakfast. I think they're cool, but I also think they've done some things that I don't totally agree with. So, you know, I think it's hard. It's hard. Everything's hard. Okay, so I assume the reason this didn't work is because it's hyphen cover. Oh, it's because it's... Wait, what? Hold on. Files by album into their own folder, which I do. But does it have to be a JPEG? Is that the issue here? Hold on. Rename. View file name extensions. Try JPEG. Now, I want to know if that helps, or, hold on, artist album folder.jpg. Does it have to be named the same thing as the folder, or can it be named slightly differently? No, that has not fixed the issue, so I'm going to imagine that didn't help. But I will try more. Not in there. I need to go to music, foobar library, here. So this is called a Hat in Time hyphen soundtrack. So we're gonna rename that. Okay, there's no reason at this point that it should not work, as far as I can tell. What is this song? When does this play? When does this song play? This is very Toby Fox. Mostly just because of funny dog bark. This is called Metal Bork. Raiden, watch out. There's a cute dog headed your way, but I think it might be slightly annoying. Annoying, Snake? Yes. This would work better if I had played Metal Gear, which I will. Only works if you store your music in a format that separates files by album into their own folder, and within each folder you store a folder.jpg containing the album art. But is it called like what's the deal with this? Why, how do I have to restart this? Do I have to hold on. Let's try closing this for a sec, and let's try opening foobar again. Folder.jpg. I'm gonna be really mad if that works. Okay, so that didn't fix that. I will actually name it folder.jpg. I sincerely doubt that will help. I'll actually be kind of mad if it works. Quite honestly. But I feel like it would have... Yeah, that would have fixed it. Play the old MGS games. Yeah, I want to as well. I'm going to. I don't know when yet. I want to play some more upbeat stuff and, like, fun, kind of cool shit first. There's got to be a reason this isn't working. I need to know how it's pulling this information. So we're gonna... This is where my funny code knowledge might actually help me. So we're gonna go to now playing simple. We're gonna go look at what it's actually pulling here. It seems to be pulling a bunch of information from the metadata, but I think it might have to do with how foobar stores album art. It's just, where is it pushing album art here? Ba 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 ba. This is a weird mix. Album, artist, title, track number, length, elapsed, path. And it's got that. So I might have to look at the actual plugin itself, like the DLL code, because that might have the solution. Now, the question is, can I actually, can I get that information properly? Okay, this is just the same information that we had, so this isn't going to help us. This is probably what we want. Yeah, I'll open that in Visual Studio. Yeah, in a hat in time. That's what this is from. This is from Hat in Time. It's older than that. The song itself is older than A Hat in Time. It was released years before it came out. We no longer support 2019. Can I, that's fine. Yes. Yeah, it was very popular. There was also a remix of it that was a lot more popular, which I will actually switch to right now, which is this one. Hold on. This is probably the one you heard. This was originally unofficial, and then it was added to the game because people liked it a lot. I listened to it long before it was an official track, because I'm cool like that. This one is I think more well known. I forget who made it, but it was used as one of the like bonus tracks because they added in a bunch of like popular remixes to the like bonus soundtrack menu. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do is open both because that'll instantly let us know where the difference. Ugh, hiccup. Where the difference is. No, why is... Okay, I need to change the HTML default to be, this. There we go. Like, I'll tell you if I want to do that. Image interval for dealing with Ajax weirdness with OBS browser source. Image interval. What I want to know is how it's pulling this information. So... Image interval, override type. I don't know HTML or JSON that well, so this might be a bit of a mess. That being said, none of that information in the init function is, I think, what I care about. It's more, I want to know how it's pulling. There should be a compare function for this software, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna pretend it doesn't exist. Yeah, so this is just a bunch of text display update shit. This is the one that has object art, so it's, yeah, it's this. So if I can... Why is it... Can I not pull this information from the metadata of the song? That's what I want to know, because this is where the issue is. Oh my god, you actually do have to call it folder.jpg, I think. But I'm not sure exactly what it's trying to get me to see here. Like, I don't know if that's actually folder.jpg or not, because I don't know what the I don't know what the deal with Ajax code is. And then it'll do show art, but I imagine show art's fine because the question box is showing up there just fine. I'm probably gonna end up finding out from like Foxen or someone that there's like an easier way to do this, and I'm gonna be really upset. So why can't I pull album art from the file itself? Like, where is it pulling information from the, cur path, art path? Okay, so it has the path. When is it displaying? So it's getting info here. NP objects. is a poll handler, so it polls it. JSON.parse xhr.response text. What is xhr? It is a request for XML data. So the issue is probably that it can only read text, but I'd be surprised if there's no way around this. Because it can display images, it just has to find them individually. So there's gotta be a way I can fix that. Like some function introduced within the last, like, 8 years that fixes this problem. I'm used to this transitioning into a different electro swing song because it's also part of a mix on YouTube. Okay, I actually hate this song. Only because I don't like the level it's in. Also, very big, like, Steamboat Willie vibes. There's a remix of the remix? Really? That is scary. Yeah, we'll listen to this. Yeah, but they probably have their own way of doing it. Okay, so what I want to know is... this NP object has a lot of values. Like, it has now playing values, which I assume now playing is the current thing stored in NP object, which is probably correct. Yeah, so it gets all this information over here and then puts it out, and then we get down here and it's like, I don't know what to do. I need to look for the art separately. Why can I not np object dot now playing? It seems like album art is not one of the things that can be obtained. I want to know what this... I want to know what response text is, mainly. I can't view references in projects. I'm not in a project. JSON.parse xhr. It's an XML request. Where is it going? Override non type application JSON. Like, I assume the issue is that they can't pull this information using an HTML, an HTTP request, but there's got to be a different way to do it. All right, first things first. I think what I want to do is look for XML HTTP requests. Why is there no HTTPS requests? What is this? It's worse than that. Doesn't require you to do anything with XML. Doesn't take an HTTP or... Oh, hey, cool, reload. I like using TypeScript. When a name I choose out turns to be inappropriate, I can hit F2 and rename. Why am I logged in? When did I ever log into Quora? Okay, what does this actually do? That's what I want to know. Okay, so it can be used to retrieve any type of data. What can it actually get here? Response text contains the response to the request as text. Okay, but what if I retrieve it as not text? Or I retrieve part of it not as that? Because, like, it gets this NP object that contains all the different fields that it's parsing from XHR. So I have this override mime type here. That, yeah, I don't know what what the hell that is. I need to find that out. That should be in this document though. It should be non-standard properties. Override MIME type. Overrides the MIME type returned by the server. So it's overriding whatever the fuck's going on here from application JSON. And then just shoving a bunch of stuff in there. Oh, okay, hold on. xhr.open get now playing.json. So it opens this now playing.json file, and that's where it's getting all of this information. So I need to look at that, which is that's this. I should also be opening JSON files with this. No, not with a version selector. Fuck you. Look for another app on this PC. Yes, please. Visual Studio? Where's the actual EXE? Hello? It's in here somewhere. Hello? Is there no... Where's the actual exe for this fucking program? Will this actually open it correctly? Kind of. Oh, that's this. Yeah, which does not contain the album art because it's a JSON file. Now, there's got to be a way to open something that isn't that has the metadata in it. Oh, by the way, my computer is heating up a lot, so I'm going to turn my fan on. Please. There we go. Powered by neurotransmitters. Okay, so it has to get that separately. That being said, this XML HTTP request is grabbing a JSON. Is there a better thing I can grab that gets me what I want? I feel like all of this is going to be completely pointless because I'm going to find some better solution. Fuck it. You know what? Before I go on a rampage to find the answer, I'm going to ask Foxen about this and see if he responds. All right, let's see if he responds. He's just listening to Spotify. He's mad chilling, probably. He'll maybe respond. Because, like, I could go in and change what it's requesting and, like, get the metadata of the song. It's just, if someone has already done it, I don't want to do it again, because that's just pointless. And I'd be better off, like, working on a stream bot or something. So, in the meantime, what can I do? What can I do? Well, I'd like to up-res that, for one. Well, I'm not going to find that info here, but... filters. Maybe I can find, like, a visual filter here that can sharpen the image for me. Let's turn that up. Ooh, that makes it really crusty. Oh, I don't like that. Let's put some bicubic scaling on there. Oh, that's nice. Nope. 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 It's so big. Look at how big it is. Oh, that actually is so much cleaner. Oh my god. Look at that. Did I fuck up the aspect ratio? I can't tell. Gotta bounce. Bounce away, my guy. Did I... What did I do here? Did I do this right? Or did I just, like, permanently fuck up the resolution on it? Let's Control Z a few steps here. What did it look like? Yeah, okay, that's what it should look like. So, why does it not look like that when I add this funny thing to it? Base canvas resolution. Oh, because that's not its base resolution, that's the canvas's base resolution, which is not what I want. I want it to keep its aspect ratio. But I can't... I don't think I can... you know what? Let's check. What does it say here? What does it say? 320 by 120. Can I do 640 by 240? Will that work? Will it let me do that? It does. So I'm gonna use my mathematician abilities, and we're gonna blast that up again to 1280 by 480. That's a little more than I wanted. There you go. Now look at that. Look at that. Now I can go, wow. And now it looks super clean and not super gross. However, it still has no album art. And that's real stinky. What's Foxen listening to? Sorry, I really like that the also known as tab for Foxen just says Marcus, because he's named that in another server. Anyone up for EDD tonight? I don't think that's the vibe I'm at. I don't think I'm at EDD vibes tonight. If someone bugs me about it, I'll do it, but like I want to know why this album art is being silly. Okay, we're gonna go back to Music, Foobar library. Okay, so we've got this funny folder.jpg. So in here it says now playing .path / folder.jpg. So it finds the file path and then it looks for a file called folder.jpg. And if it finds that, it will play it. That's certainly a way to do that. But, why? Also, why is it not working now that I have created folder.jpg? Because there it is. It's right here. The funny image that's called folder.jpg. So why is it not, maybe it's in the show art function then? But like, I don't think that's the case. We've got Tween 2 art on complete. Yeah, so it fades into max opacity, which is 0.5, which is why this is semi-transparent. It gets the art path, sets the image width and height to 100, fades in the art at full opacity with a delay of 0.5 seconds. Like, I understand how to do this, because I've done this in Unity for, like, dev shit. It's a matter of, why is it not... Now that it knows, why is it not fixed itself? If current path is not equal to the current path that is now playing, fade in. I almost wonder if it's because we haven't... Current path has never had to change yet. So what I'm gonna do is go into the next folder, which is the Bastion folder, which has cover.jpg. And I'm going to copy and paste that, rename this to... Yeah, I'm gonna F11. Folder.jpg. This really just sounds like the creepy steeple music. I actually thought it was until I realized. But they're like the same song. We now have another thing that has folder.jpg in it, which is good. Because now we can check and see if that's the issue here. So I'm gonna go to the Bastion soundtrack. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna send to a new playlist. And that worked. Now if I go back... No, I don't want to listen. I'm gonna go back over here. Nope. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna... Oh my god, look at the resolution on the image. Holy shit, it's so crusty. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, that's bad. That's real bad. That is real nasty. Why? Surely I can't make this at a higher resolution. It's so gross looking. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's like, take off my glasses. Ah, yeah, there it is. There's the logo I know and love. So, why is this happening? Is my new question. I'm also going to quickly take a look at Mark's stream if he's still streaming, because he has his song display open, so we can actually, like, look at it live. Yeah, there it is. Look, his looks fine. His looks great. Oh, I didn't want to close the whole... Oh, no, I closed everything. No! Shit! I didn't want to do that. Let's do that. No. So why is it that his album art looks great and mine looks like doo-doo dog shit? Let's go take a look at this. This is setting the art. This has the show art method here. And it is setting the image to be 100 by 100 pixels. Let's see what the actual resolution of this image is normally. Because I'm guaranteeing you it's not that. The resolution of this image is 1800 by 1800. So it is being downscaled 18 times. So it's gonna look a little schmusty. Yeah, and this is 350 by 350 at 96 DPI. What's the DPI on this one? 72, okay. So what would probably be the right thing to do is have the yeah, this is kind of just jamming the thing in there and assuming it's not going to work. So here's my thought, right? What do we do about this? Like, what do we do to ensure that the art itself is at the right resolution every time, or that it's properly done? Like, I feel like we have to up-res everything, all of it. Like, what happens if where's all the other assets here that it's slapping on screen? Because I'm not seeing them. Like it has that background at least is a real image that it is taking from somewhere, and it's not this one because it's a wide image. So I want to know where it's getting that, so I can up-res. And you can say what's up, res, and I can say not much. What's up with you? Where is it getting this? Where is it putting this on the screen? Is it maybe in the JSON file? Nope. It is not. So what, like, this is made up of a bunch of things. There's some texts. There's, like, what? Where's it getting all this info? CSS plugin, TweenMax, jQuery, scroll to, style sheet. Yeah, none of that's gonna make it on its own in the big city. So like we've got this stuff. Var artist string, span, style, opacity, font size. I don't know where it's getting the default font size either. Or sorry, I don't know where it's getting the default like font at all. Like, how is it deciding to use this font? Where is that information? Not that I really care. It might just be one of the default fonts or something that it's deciding to use. Okay, so we have all this stuff. Images empty.jpg. I should really be looking in the folder to see what it's actually using. Yeah, that's just a PNG of the config. Images. Okay, so now playing is the image itself. which is this this thing here. So we need to figure out what it's actually doing to get that image, which I can probably do by clicking here, hitting Control F, now playing. So that's just the path, but actually this will make it very hard. So I'm gonna look at .jpeg and see if that helps us. But I'm not optimistic because it might just not have a way of retrieving that info. Where is it getting that? It should be on like the fade out, probably. Show art. So that's the slash folder for show art. That's for play state. That's for leminate. Images play, images paused. Images art path. Wow, they've really made this insufferable to read through. I cannot figure out where it's getting the image. I can't. Like I can see that it's getting these images here. But where is it getting the background? I disagree. I disagree with that opinion. I really like them. Why are they like that? Couldn't tell you. How you doing, Nettie? Weed Cat. I do like Weed Cat. But I also think that you're here to start shit. Well, sucks to suck, buddy. I don't think you're going to manage that. I'm too busy coding. Trying to figure out where the fuck I need to look for the background image. Okay, I'm gonna go back to there. Go back to that folder again. And we're gonna look at their images. So we have this now playing -no art. So Control F, now playing -no art. And what I'm guessing is that they don't actually ever use this information. Yeah, okay. So somewhere they're grabbing the name of the file and using that as the way to determine what the background is, which I hate. Not because it's not efficient, because it's very efficient, but because I hate it. Like, you already have a new script for no art, and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. This is how I'm gonna do this. So I now need to instead look for the name of the file, because it's probably pulling that somewhere. Like the HTML file. And figure out where it's doing that. Like, it's making an image show up somewhere. Okay, that's the artist info, that's the album info, that's the title info, that's the play state, that's the elapsed time. I think it's this board. I think it's whatever this is. Because I don't see any other time that that's used. So I'm gonna kill tweens of board. Yeah, so it's within this board. art, empty PNG, shits and gigs aside, you're doing good, losing your sanity mod of Minecraft. Yeah, that sounds right. How do we end up back on file select? What the hell? Are we going backwards through the playlist? What? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna go back to, like... Let's go here. I'm feeling like I want to go here. Get some funny didgeridoo. Elapsed play progress. So this board is load on init, but it isn't taking the actual background music anywhere, or background music. It's not taking the background image anywhere. Like, where the hell is it getting that? Is it something else that is loading this information in? But why? Like, all I want to do is up-res all parts of this. The problem is, when I do that, it eats shit. Like, if I, you know, 440 by 240, that doesn't help. But if I go filters and I add an effect filter and I make an aspect ratio, I have bicubic filtering on, and then I make it, like, big as fuck, right? Even if I scale this all the goddamn way down. The album art's kind of viewable. It just doesn't feel right. Was I just crazy? Like, is that not an issue? I'm going to change this to be whatever it said it was supposed to be, but multiplied up. So it says here 320 by 120. So I'll make it 1280, not by 720. 1280 by 480 is what it should be. So, like, look at this, look at this. And then I scale it down, and it's still absurdly blurry. Does that just mean I have to upscale it more? Is that just my issue? Change this. Oh, that's bad. Yeah. Linear point. Yeah, so this seems to be right. Let's try doubling it again. So that would be 2560 wide. By 960. Try that. So this is bigger now, I think. Did it actually do the thing it's supposed to do? I'm not sure. So I don't actually know if it's upscaling it the way it's supposed to, because, like, I don't think this is counting. Like, it is supposedly going up in resolution, but I don't know if I believe that. Whereas, like, if I fucking hit it with this, right? And then I shrink that. Actually, no, it still looks like dog shit. Okay. Filters. Let's double it again for some reason. So 5,120 by 1920. Yeah, this seems about right. This seems good. This seems like very large. Very nice. That's kind of extremely distorted, I want to say. Like, does that look bad on your end? Because it looks bad on my end. And I feel like it's larger on your end than it is on mine. It just looks so bad. Like, here's my thought. What happens if I just change the resolution here to, like... Like, what happens if I do that? I feel like this is going to cause a disaster to occur. So, let's just see. Nothing happened, which is possibly more concerning. Now, why did nothing happen is a good question. Probably because I haven't refreshed yet. So we're gonna hop on over to the Bastion soundtrack here instead. Go over here. Go for, like, build that wall. And then we'll go back to, like... let's go with here. Now, I don't know if that helped even remotely, because the album art is still extremely low resolution. Now, what happens if I crank this, right? I set this shit to, like, 600. Not 60,000, 600. 600. 600. 600. I save. I do this. And I minimize that. And I go back. And I go back again. Like, it's still really distorted. There's no... It doesn't seem like there's a meaningful difference. Why is the album art so distorted? We don't know. I'm gonna close the application and reopen it and see if that helps at all. Like, for all I know, reopening this application, I unplugged my headphones because I sat on the wire. So let's plug those back in first. For all I know, this is going to cause major problems. But it doesn't seem like it is. It just seems like it's not doing anything. Lossy encoding, but why? Why is this not doing anything? Why is this entire source tiny? And why is that none of this is doing anything? That's where my mind's at, is why is none of this actually mattering? I really like this song. Overlay with no art, overlay with art. Why? I'm gonna copy this information and remove the scaling. It's now small as fuck. Okay. Yeah, like, that doesn't seem like it helped. Because the image that's being output is still 100 by 100, but, like, what? Why? What force could be wanting it to do this? I have my album art. Why can I not make it look pretty? Why is it pulling really low quality images that I cannot affect at all? Like, is this really the newest version of this plugin that exists? I'm just super curious. There's got to be a way to make this work. Like, that's definitely the one I'm looking for, but why... This cannot be the newest version. Eight years ago. Some of this is newer. Releases 1, it works. Latest. Why? I want to find this guy and ask him what his thought was behind locking it to 100 by 100. Like, you know, people have better album art than that. Like, was this like back when you were looking at stuff on your iPod Nano? You were like, yeah, this is the right size for this. No one will ever want more than that. That's fine. It works, I guess. They did say that. If you know some HTML and CSS, maybe it is just information in one of the CSS files. Open Sans con. Okay, that's the font. I feel like this might actually have the info I need, but I could be wrong. Play pause, progress, elapsed, title, album, artist, art. Width 100 pixels. This might be it. 320 by 120. Okay, that's the whole board. There we go. This is the resolution of the board. This has the image. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I can change the font here. I can change. Now what happens if I change this? Like, what's gonna happen? Can I even do this during runtime, or is it gonna freak out? It didn't seem to do anything. Like, I understand how it works, but, okay, we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna double the size of everything and see what happens. This will increase the font size. Do I really need album art? Yes, fuck you. I have my mind set on something, and I will keep that. Okay. This should be 240. This should be 140. This should be 360. Tiny muscles? What do you mean, tiny muscles? What do you know that I don't? I'll have you know I go to the gym several times a week. I've been known to lift a few weights. I'm doing all right anyway. What's going on? How you doing? What brings you around this side of the internet? Okay. I feel like the easier way to do this would have just been... Okay, so that's 160 plus 16, 172... Make this 100. I'm kind of afraid for time to run out because I saved with one thing being slightly larger. Your tags and your tags and your face. Oh, fuck off. How much I bench? I do not bench much. I was mostly joking. I do go to the gym several times a week, but I've only started recently. I actually haven't benched since I've gotten there because I just haven't bothered. I don't think I'm at a point. I did used to bench a decent amount. Back I used to work out a lot more just around the start of high school. I still don't remember what I benched then because I didn't care. I told you. Most I know is like on a lot of the machines that I do at the gym, I usually have like, I don't know, 40 or 50 pounds on the stuff. Except my leg stuff is like double that, which is kind of normal, but also I walk a lot. What is this alien shit that I'm hearing? What is this like funny garbage? 182, 20, 28. Wow. We're skipping that. Why are these tracks all like 10 minutes long? They're so long. Okay, and then I do like 240. No. 242. 186. 230. 12. Okay, so we've got all this info here. We've saved out our style sheet. I'm gonna have to stop the music for a second, sadly, because I want to close this out. And hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. I genuinely don't know. I think it only refreshes when I do this, so we're gonna try. Well, I don't know if that did anything at all, actually. Boring me. What? Okay. I'm... Cool opinion. See you later, I guess. Oh, dude, this song's good. I forgot that the opening for Bastion is so, like, cool. Hey, what's this called? Bluegrass? What's this person? No idea. Okay. Very short. Sadly. I almost want to say that made things slightly larger, but I still don't know if that's true. So we're gonna Go there. Do that. Go here. Do this. I am still under the impression that nothing has changed. Yeah, this very much still seems to be exactly as crusty as it was last time. Oh, that's just the slot thing. Yeah, like, I cannot tell in any capacity whether that, like, helped. Because, like, it's loading the CSS from somewhere, right? Like, it's doing that. Yes, it is. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to fix this shit so that it actually looks good. And I have people that know how to do it, but they're busy and they haven't responded, so I'm trying to do it myself. I'm, like, fucking around with this style sheet, but I don't know if the style sheet is actually doing anything. Like, this exists, and it has been modified by me as of now. But, I don't know what it's actually doing with some of this information. There is another OBS that may or may not support. I just like the way this one looks, if I'm being honest. And, like, I understand how this stuff works. I'm just not sure why it's displaying at the crustiest resolution ever seen before in all of the universe, in everything. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, this will have a lot more visible of a change if anything actually does change, so time to do a bunch of math again. Something tells me 80 pixel font is probably not gonna spark joy, but we're dealing with it anyway. God, I really need to put this stuff back in my regular playlist. I love this soundtrack. D6, 8, 280, 720, 6. Okay, so that'd be 204 plus 140. Four, 372, 460, and 24. So I have no idea whether that will actually, like, do anything in any capacity. Yeah, this is the thing I care about, which is the art size. Oh, this is the boss theme for this guy. It's also really good. Okay, like, it seems that it updates when there's a new, like, thing, so... So, like, that'll only change that text. But it doesn't look like it's changing at all. I genuinely can't tell if this is helping, because I had forced aspect ratio on. I think the best thing to do would probably be to reset the transform on it and see what happens. Where do I do that? Okay, so no, it still thinks this is the right size for the transform, which it's not. What I want to know is where it's getting that information. Because, like, the board exists, and it's slapping all that info on it, and then in the CSS it's saying that, you know, the shit is where it is, right? It's, like, opening the background somewhere. Not the elapsed. It might be because the background image needs to be upscaled still. Because no matter what I do, this now playing image is still a really low resolution. It's still 320 by 120, and I need to upscale it. So let's do that. It's probably still going to look pretty awful when upscaled, because I can only do so much with this. But, actually, this isn't terrible. I'm gonna, document, resize, document, put the scaling to bicubic, change this to 1280. See, that looks kind of good. Didn't add too much problem. Now we're gonna throw that in the folder that it came from and see if it screams in agony, because I'm replacing a file while it's running. Actually, it probably won't let me. So I'm just going to put that in there under a now playing 2. And then I'm going to have to stop foobar from running for a second here. And probably just stop reading. Yeah, I'll just stop reading that for a sec. Also, the resolution on it is fucked up in there. So let's put that to 1280 by, what was it, 480? Oh yeah, that doesn't help because that only changes that. But now what we can do is delete this and replace it with this. And I'm very interested to see what happens at this point. So we're gonna go back in here, and it's still reading from there. And we're gonna close foobar, and we're gonna open foobar again. And we're gonna load something from here. And I have no idea what's gonna happen. Oh, I have to do it from here, right? Nothing happened. It remained at that resolution, too. for some reason. Which is very strange to me. Okay, I had to refresh the cache. There we go. I fixed it. With the power of custom code. There you go. I fixed it. Look at that. It's so clean. Wait, where'd the... Wait, did I fix... Whoa, hold on. Some things are not working properly anymore. Uh-oh. What? Oh, no. What the fuck happened here? Oh, shit. Hold on. Where'd the duration go? Did I do some math wrong? I need to check my CSS. Yeah, the elapsed information. Text align right. So the text is aligned to the right, but it's 100 pixels left? What the fuck? Also, the time is clearly not ticking up at the right rate. Oh god. What? Oh no, what happened? What did... Hold on. Oh my god. They wouldn't, would they? Okay, that's just... Like, I'm wondering if it's scaling the timer internally, not with the length of the song, but with the length it thinks the song is based on the size of the boxes. Which is insane, but it makes sense, I guess? This is some real programming shit. Let's hop over to the Bastion soundtrack again. Yeah, so the timer is not ticking up. The elapsed text is somewhere. So those are the main things I'm concerned with right now. What happened? Okay, I'm actually just gonna go to the washroom for a sec. Alright, it's supposedly playing Terminal March. It actually is playing Terminal March. Now, I'm curious to know whether it's tracking up the time at the right rate. That being said, what I more want to know is... Okay, so the play button is also completely off screen. Which it should not be. Wait, why does that have a font size? At all? It's an image. That's odd. So the progress bar is the correct distance away from everything. Yeah. What I want to know is what's going on here. Yeah, it's 1280 by 480. And it's got this now playing image in the background here. It's vibin'. It's big chillin'. Now, why is... So this is elapsed. Elapsed is what I need to care about. So it's the right height, I think. Why is the text align right? What happens if I turn that off? And then I go... That did not help. What is... Wait, that's the play button. That's what that little white thing is. It's the fucking play button. Why is it so small? God knows where the actual, like, text... Oh... I have discovered the answer. The font is gigantic. That's why. It has ascended into another realm. So that should solve one issue if I reset the display here. Yeah, there we go. It kinda does. We've got kind of a lot of empty space here. But I'm not too broken up about that. What I'm more interested in is what's going on with the play pause. And why it has a font size at all, actually. Because I kind of feel like that's what's causing that. Because, like, if I cut this... Wait, should that not be height? Like, what is this? I guess not if it's a square image. What's going on with my Discord DMs? Oh, hello, Foxen. Download this, attach to your app, zip, and then copy paste that, add browser source, Hold on, I'm just trying to get a fox in. All right, there we go. Okay, so what's going on with this thing? I just want to know what's going on here. All right, we're gonna check files because I want to know why it's doing this. So this, the play and pause buttons are, they're 6x9. Okay, I should probably take the rest of these files into in here and upscale them. I want to close this. What the fuck? Oh, it's because the background is obscuring it. No. Okay, so we're gonna resize document. We're gonna put that shit up to 400 so that it's not horrible if I don't have the album art. Then I'm gonna export. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna save over that. We're gonna bring in these next. File open. I'll do these ones because I actually need to do them. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? What's happening here? Hold on. Is this even what I want? Like, what, hold on, let me... Oh no, that is straight up just a pause. It's just absurdly distorted. It's just really small. All right, we're gonna bring that up to 24 by 36. Yes, and then resample that and export it, and hopefully this won't cause the pause to get horribly distorted, which it did. Yeah. Okay, so that could be a problem because our pause.png now looks like this. I guess I'll try and upscale this then. I don't think it's gonna go that well. I may have to 24. Okay, now is this going to help me at all? It is really crusty, but it did work. I will probably need to replace these at some point. So now I'm gonna refresh the thingy again. cool. So it looks horrendous. They're at least the right size, but they look terrible. I should probably get them in the right spot, too. So I need to figure out where I fucked up my math. It's... So the play pause is like that. The text align is on... Like, that's my main confusion here, is what caused this to happen? Why is this, That would have been 560. Like, it's the right height, I think? It's just too far over? Just why? I need to look at the actual thing again and see what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so the time is in the right spot. The play pause are in a very different spot than they should be. And for some reason use a font size, even though they are very much not things that need that. So that's interesting, I guess. Like, I almost wonder if that's, an issue with the style sheet. Because I don't see any other spot where that would be a thing. What happens if I do that? Nothing. Nothing occurs at all. Let's go throw that over to the left then. Let's decrease this to 1080 and see if it actually changes anything at all. Because I could be very well just looking at the wrong asset. No, it moved it left. And it almost looks like moving it another 100 left might be exactly how much I need to move it. But I could be wrong about that. So let's give that a shot. About how far left is that? Almost. No, actually, that's perfect. That's where it should be. It just sucks. It's just really crusty. Now, if I pause it... Oh, that looks delicious. So yeah, those look really nasty. Because the upscaling on them sucks. But, people definitely won't notice at this size, right? Well, they might notice that. But, I might live with that. Look at that beautiful AI, not AI upscaling. We have given them the ability to not need to be upskilled. Yeah, it looks alright. Oh, this is a good song. I really like this song. Now let's go add this to the starting soon screen. So interestingly, this is playing through my desktop audio instead of my browser audio, which is not good, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, I need to go here, here. There we go. Okay, now I can add a new browser source. Add existing. Now I'm wondering where about to put it. Like this, maybe? I kind of like the way that looks. What's your thought? There's like a slight distortion on the Bastion album art at the far left side, which is why it looks a little weird. That sounds good. Alright, let's hop over to the A Hat in Time soundtrack just to make sure this is actually working. Yeah. Like, does it look better like that, or does it look better out? I feel like it kind of looks better like that. Trying to make it not, something feels wrong about this, but I couldn't tell you what. I almost feel like it would look better. I'm gonna change scenes back. I almost feel like it would look better if it like slid out and went back in. But I kind of know how to do that. I don't want to, because it is a pain in the ass to do. I could probably do it using some funny transition bullshit. But yeah, that... I mean, I have at this point made my new thing. So that's cool. I might do another stream where I, like, look at the, what was I gonna say? Look at, like, making a Discord bot, or not a Discord bot, a stream bot, to have my own instead of using Nightbots, because I kind of hate it. Kind of really hate Nightbots. Because it doesn't do basically anything I want it to do. Okay, so I don't really think there's, like, I don't know if I want to move on to doing another thing 3 hours into the stream, so I might call it here. It's also almost midnight, and people are just kind of vibing. So I'll raid someone or something, and we'll go from there. This is a time of night at which I can actually raid someone. Let's see who there is to raid. I'm not logged in. Hold on. Yeah, we'll raid Mark. I don't know Lynn well enough quite yet to raid them, because I haven't seen enough of their streams, so I'll go back for that later. But, yeah, let's go to my dashboard and hit the funny raid button and do that. So Mark does some cool shit. He's doing like a challenge run of Fire Red right now, and it is actually cool. I would like to do stuff like this. I don't know all the rules, but it's hard. It's hard and it's random. Wait, unraid? I didn't want to unraid. I've been scammed. I've been scammed. Let's try that one again. There we go. Take it easy, guys. It's been fun.
Jsparxs. Thanks for the raid up. Sure. I'm gonna use 2 heals.
Bye-bye.
One really good one.